right, we got here ourselves a battery bank here, KLYD 59 5000 milliamp hour battery bank from Kuulaa. Looks like it is 7.5 watt for iPhone and 15 watt for Android, unfortunately. This is a pink color with a kickstand. So let's open this guy up, take a look what we got. Nice packaging, got a charging cable, USB-C, battery bank, and we got our instruction manual. Okay, mostly in Chinese. Let's see if there's an English one. Does come with a pocket for credit card. So here's the charging instructions. We got light indicators fully charged. And we have a storage card indicators. All right. Take a look what we got. Nice pink color. We got very nice order. Pretty design pattern here. I would say this is sort of pastel pink. Very subtle. Feels really nice. Let's see. So we have credit card holder here. Probably for one credit card or a business card that you can hold. We have the light indicator here. So charging port on the side, which is nice. Kickstand, really nice. So you can charge it while the kickstand is open. Let's see how that looks like on the phone. Pretty strong MagSafe connection here. Kickstand works pretty well. Let's see. So I have an iPhone with OSnap, some sort of doesn't want to charge through the case and the OSnap. It's not indicating charging. So let's see what we got here. Okay, let's take off the case. try it without the case here. Yep, now it's charging. So yeah, this is a pretty thick case and doesn't want to charge through it. Just that's a good note of. So there's a indicator that's charging, an indicator of how much the battery bank contains charge. Obviously brings a hefty weight to it, which is you know, understandable. So yeah, that works. Let's plug it in, see USB-C here. We have blinking light indicating charging. Yep. Overall, I say this is pretty good charging bank. Do note it will not charge through a very thick case for the phone.